Okay, so can somebody summarize really quickly what, just in 1 minute, what did we do last Thursday just to bring us, or last Tuesday, just to bring us up to speed? Somebody give us a summary. What did we talk about? The many energy systems of the body. Kundalini. All of those things nobody believes that are there and nobody can measure, but civilizations, cultures for thousands of years have been playing with those to one extent or another, and what we would call in the West complementary and alternative therapies according to the National Institutes of Health. And there is a whole section of the National Institutes of Health that is devoted to complementary and alternative, what's the other term now? Complementary? Integrative or integrated therapies, yes. Very, very put down by the medical establishment, by the traditional AMA folks. But probably, if you looked at complementary and alternative therapies as a whole, they are growing faster than, I mean, the speed at which their use is growing is unbelievable. Here's a question. Which, of all the complementary and alternative therapies, thinking of, herbs and meditation and yoga and all of these things, which do you think is the most commonly used of all the complementary and alternative therapies? There's one that is heads and tails higher than everyone else. No, good guess though. I mean, that's the one that's fortunately increasing a lot. Not supplements? Mm-mm. Good guess? Nope. Not yoga. Acupressure, acupuncture? No. Massage, you think? It startled me it startled me at first, and then I went, well, that just makes perfect sense. It has religious feeling to it, or religious tendencies. Prayer, yeah. Prayer is the number one most, according to surveys, the most frequently used complementary / alternative / integrative therapy. The concept of, in America, the idea of enlisting a higher power to assist in the healing process of oneself or somebody else. Okay, so we talked about the energies, we talked about the different energies that there are, and we kind of played just a little bit with acupuncture, and Kennedy appropriately added acupressure into the mix. And we said that there were these meridians, these rivers of energy that flow through us according to maps from Chinese medicine, that when you put a needle in one end, it has an effect on some blockage of energy in some component, somewhere in that river. That's as good as anyone can explain this, why this works.